Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to log out of ClickUp. Whether you're switching between accounts, wrapping up on a shared computer, or simply keeping your workspace secure. If you find this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. And let's get right into it. Before we touch anything, let's talk about why logging out matters. ClickUp stores your tasks, comments, and private project data tied to your account. If you're on a shared machine, at work, in a library, or even handing your laptop to someone for a moment, staying logged in leaves all of that accessible to whoever sits down next. Getting into the habit of logging out is one of those small steps that keeps your workspace clean and your data where it belongs. Alright, here's all you need to do. First, look to the upper right corner of the ClickUp window. You'll see either your profile picture, if you've uploaded one, or your initials inside a colored circle. Go ahead and click that. This opens your account menu, which is also where you'll find your personal settings, notification preferences, and theme options, so it's a useful spot to know about in general. Now, once that menu is open, don't click the first thing you see. You want to scroll all the way to the bottom of the list. Depending on how many options are displayed and your screen resolution, the logout button can be easy to miss if you only glance at the top of the menu. Take a moment to scroll right down to the very last item, and there it is, log out. Click it. ClickUp will immediately end your session and redirect you to the login screen. Your data stays safe in the cloud, nothing is deleted. The next time you or anyone else opens ClickUp on this device, they'll need to enter credentials to get back in. That's exactly the behavior you want. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of ClickUp in just 2 clicks. It's a quick habit worth building, especially if you work across multiple devices or share your workspace with others. If this video saved you a minute of confusion, drop a like and leave a comment below. I read every one, and your feedback helps shape what we cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.